welcome to our channel. I am Maya. Ayanna is downstairs. This is just a little intro for the vlog that you're about to see because we did not say anything at the beginning of the video. But welcome to our channel. We are in a gay relationship, period. And yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment anything down below that you want us to see. We're thinking about doing a smasher pass. We are going to do a smasher pass to anybody who wants to be in it. We're not doing celebrities. Anybody that wants to be in it. So drop an emoji down below if you want to be in our smasher pass. Our social medias will be down in the description box below. Make sure you follow us. We will talk back. We promise. We're not rude. We're not mean any of that. So we hope you enjoyed this vlog. This vlog is basically what we did this weekend while Florence was supposed to come to Savannah, but it didn't. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
Anyways,
Girl, you ain't recording nothing.
yes I am.
No, I can tell. I know when it's recording.
So what's the 21 seconds?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you do. Do you really?
Not really.
Yeah. Anyways, what's up, y'all? It's been a long ass motherfucking time. But anyways, we're waiting on Danae's slow ass to go change, so we can go run some errands before Florence. Before Florence, the hurricane that is not going to hit, that is not gonna flood Savannah. But everybody running they ass off.
It might give us a little
We might get a little razzle dazzle.
a little swimming pool.
A little swimming pool. A little pond. You know, a little reservoir.
What? Girl.
Anyways, but yeah. So we waiting on her to come down so we can go to the store. Might need to go to that store. What? What? But yeah, so what y'all been up to, you know? How y'all been feeling? That's good. That's good.
You said that's good.
That's good. We just been chilling, you know. Been doing a lot of running around and stuff. But now we're here. We're good. We're here. We're back to Earth. Back to Earth. We're in the hair store.
I was like, what? I want some I need it in one. Wow. The knees. I really don't.
Well.
No, I don't.
Oh, wow.
It flakes up in my head.
Oh, no. Well, that's terrible. Period. All right. You don't like this store?
I mean, I'm saying, like, I just need everything on one wall.
She said she doesn't like the store. I don't either. It smelled like a waxy under her when we walked in.
You're aggravating. Oh, they have more design Citrus products.
Do they have?
Do you naturals out there, do you all wear design essentials? Well, I'm an endorser. Psych, but get me to endorse her. Period.
They have a defining cream in here.
Y'all see the puff. You know how you gonna.
They should
Y'all
go
see
with
the puff.
this.
Period. Period. Oh, wow. Wow. I didn't lay my edges, so they might look a little bald. Mind your business. I wish that they had an edge control tester in here. This isn't the store, unfortunately. That's okay, though. Because I'll get some damn edge control. I mean, darn. You heard me. Wow. So what are you guys thinking of the product so far? Great, great. The day is going lovely.
It's
I mean,
going great.
Immaculate, you know. And wow, I completely took over. It's okay. So
yeah,
what are your favorite products? Let's
honestly,
hear
I
that.
don't know. I'm still trying to figure.
We're gonna bleep that.
I'm still trying to.
What about you,
out.
Ayanna? What's your favorite?
I wasn't done.
Oh shit!
really
Sorry.
have
I mean,
a
shoot.
I haven't really figured it out yet. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Like,
Yeah, in the comment section. Period.
Up this way, it's your girl Danny J in the back seat. We did not vlog while we were in the mall.
We didn't.
While we were getting horrible service.
Listen, I forgot the camera in the car. Boom. I wanted to get my eyebrows done. Listen, I hate my eyebrows.
Me too. They're trash.
They are
She
trash.
sucks.
Okay, so we got our eyebrows done at the same place that we always get our eyebrows done at. But this one particular lady, she just didn't. Oh, this pimple is ugly on my face. She just didn't hit the right spot. Like, look at this. Oh, what is that? Like, it don't even look like I got my eyebrows done. Like, your girl ain't even on foot. I don't know. They're ugly. Oh my god. Yeah.
Yep, trash.
Yours look better than mine. But yeah, right now we're about to go to Red Lobster and we're gonna have a family dinner and it's gonna be great.
What are you about to say?
Why aren't you turning right here? Oh, I get what's happening.
I'm not playing with none of you.
Coco.
I'm terrified of my kneecaps. Sorry. But everyone was trying to be an asshole about it, but I wasn't playing with their ass. Little do y'all know, Coco is going to step when I tell her to. Who's Coco? This car.
Yep. Alright, so yeah, we're about to go and Red Lobster.
Yes!
We finna eat some.
We about to eat some? We about to eat some biscuits?
Let them know. We are in the Bahamas. Did y'all know that? Wait, the angle make my titties look good.
I get it.
Make it up. Period. We are in the Bahamas. Wait, stand like this. We're in the Bahamas. Yes, the trees are amazing. All right. Wow. Oh wait, one more. Right here. Yes. Oh, wow. Wow. So we're gonna go in.
Get our table.
Yes, and we're gonna have a table for how many? 3L. Yes, and I really hope that you guys are enjoying the vlog. Yes, because why not? You know? Yes, go ahead. You're welcome.
It's hot.
I know. 2, 3. Oh, 3? Yeah. Look at me. Everybody know they used to try and put their hand in this fish tank, and this lobster tank when they was younger. No, you weren't supposed to be touching on them lobsters. Get your hand out of there, Darrell. No, I didn't say Darrell. I did. So what do you think about tonight? Are you hungry?
Oh yeah.
Very hungry.
I'm very hungry. Ready to tip
Chow
this lobster
down.
pizza.
Period.
I don't even know
And
if I
shine
want
like a star.
Yeah.
Period. Yes. Okay. And there's a good crowd in here. They're looking. I'll give you something to look at. Hello. They are staring. They haven't seen real YouTubers. That's okay. They only seen it on ads. Wow, I thought that was Ayanna behind us. I thought wrong.
It's not her.
Well, we're gonna vlog some more when she gets back.
We're in Red Lobster. It's a date. I said we in Red Lobster. It's a date. Featuring Donna.
The single friend.
She's single. Listen at a menu.
I clean my plate type shit. You clean your plate too short. Yeah.
You didn't have to do.
Yeah, why you stuck in my face?
You didn't have to do me like that. How was your food, ma'am?
Here we go.
It was. I thought you were going to say immaculate.
These. Come on, zoom in. Period. These. See that? That is my man.
You put behind this happy.
Okay, yeah, my food was busted out the bando. I clean my plate. I don't care what nobody say.
Let them know. Who they send you paragraphs on this?
This is my That's my sister's uncle.
Oh wow.
But yeah,
Oh wow.
we finna do that these.
Go to Joanne's.
Going to Joann's, looking at some fabric for a backdrop, because you know we coming strong, coming at your neck with YouTube channel. Tell them, babe.
Whatever.
Nothing.
Say.
Nothing.
Wow. Don't play like that. Just jump in. Say
Yeah, say anything.
She said, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna come back on this shit. We put it on the ground harder than ever.
Period.
Cue the lights. Oh, wait. Oh.
Make sure you guys go to subscribe to. I don't know if it's on you.
Donnie J, Believer's Business. Well, I thought someone was on me. Hello? Oh, wait. There it goes. Yes, Donnie J. Everything Donnie J. And Believer's Business with an apostrophe and at.
So we're in Joann looking for fabric for our what is it? Drop back?
Whoa.
Backdrop.
Backdrop. She said drop back.
Backdrop.
Backdrop.
Look at this.
I want a rainbow one because
for
we're
your
gay.
Halloween special.
Oh, it's cute for Halloween.
And it's the rainbow kind.
I want rainbow because we're gay. Makes sense.
It's for a Halloween special and it's a rainbow kind. Y'all like this?
What Halloween special are we doing?
Comment below if y'all like this or no.
Tell me what Halloween special we
It
do.
doesn't matter. They'll see.
Okay. I would like to know myself.
You were still trying to open it up. What else?
Like it looks the same.
But what we did, when I did, take a picture in front of it. See how you like it. Go, get her. Go.
Oh, copyright over it. I'm just playing. Sorry, it's my first time vlogging in a store with a camera and it's too much. It's too much attention. Too much attention. I'm just playing. I like the attention because I'm a bad motherfucker. Yeah, comment down below things that you want to see. Things that you want to see, things that you want us to do. I think we're gonna do truth or dare in public. I'm not quite sure. No.
Come here.
What?
This is cute. But we're not musically talented. But this is cute. You don't like the space feel? I like the space feel. It's different. I like this too.
Definitely don't like that. We're not agreeing. I haven't seen anything I like, if you want me to be honest.
Y'all, I really don't know how to navigate this store. I don't think I've really been enjoying like that. So, yeah. Right here. We are looking for some Friday. And Maiya says she doesn't see anything.
Mine doesn't.
But I see a lot of things. Ton of things, actually.
I see things.
But hey,
Not what I'm
it's always about what she wants.
Okay, get what you want. Because it's not even like.
I'm just kidding. You're spazzing.
No, you're spazzing. That's who's spazzing.
What the hell did they went? Oh, there she is on the phone. So we're about to go. What's up? Oh, what's up, y'all? Anyways, we're about to go to the movies. Actually, in the middle of a hurricane, I guess, if that's what you want to call it.
They kind of is a lift, and it's so dirty in there. And they come right there.
Yeah,
But you a lift.
but you'll live. Anyway, so what are we doing on this Saturday hurricane weather?
Like in my lap, can we
We're going to the movies.
What's your favorite natural grilled chicken?
Girl.
Need any tips on how to keep your hair great, good and curly and great and healthy? Get at me. Yeah, if you want me to do you any type of twist out, braid out, bantu knots, girl, I got you. Slide through. Hit me up. Social media will be down in the comments below. I mean, in the description below. I got you, boo. Why you say I'm going in? Okay, we went and seen Searching, but we were supposed to see
A Simple Favor.
A Simple Favor. I was about to say A Thought to Remember. A Simple Favor. But we ended up seeing Searching because the movie theater that we go to, all the seats were taken. So yeah, we had to compromise, and it was a lot of us, and it was like only one seat in the front. I mean, the only row that was open was in the very, very, very front, and my head would have been blessing, my neck would have been hurt. So it was just like, man. So right now, we're at Zaxby's, chilling. Later we're probably gonna go to the hookah bar. I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
if see, it's hurricaning outside right now, kind of low key.
A piece of Florence was at the theater.
Just a piece.
The umbrella was just
It was gone. We're with Didi and Cameron.
They have to clean it.
I know, and I'm just
Yeah, we're on a double date.
And they gonna turn it down.
Wow. So yeah, we're about to eat.
Oh,
I'm gonna show y'all our food if y'all want to see it. Anyway. Oh, the movie was.
Oh yeah, I'm about to say. We thought the movie was gonna be lame, but
Yeah, we wanted a refund.
we wanted to but it was actually good. Like towards the end, it ended kind of stupid, but it was actually good towards the end.
So if y'all into like kidnapping movies and are willing to and patient and can actually sit through something, y'all should see Searching.
Yeah, go see it.
Seriously. But if y'all don't like it, don't say we recommended it.
Yeah.
Because we didn't.
No, but that movie really lame as fuck. No,
So yeah,
we had nothing to do with their decision. But you should go.
we just saying if you like some of that, go see it. Period. Sorry.
yeah, get to it.
See you later. We got our food. Always gotta keep the Zay sauce on D. I ain't with my pickles. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
Damn, I just wasted so much time.
Good. Cause you weren't supposed to be eating. They got their food, but I think it's gone.
Yeah, it about the
He must have heard me, so he didn't look that time.
Yeah, they food gone, but
It's a little bit, look, you get a little taste.
I had like 3 pickles, but it's like 2 right
Just a
now.
little taste, we will be out too much.
a little razzle.
A little razzle dazzle.
So yeah, we finna eat.